texture is good now. Yes, let's move it to the drying stage.
Leftover banana pulp is transferred into these fermentation tanks, beginning the organic reaction.
The microbial activity is stabilizing right on schedule.
And the temperature holds steady at 45. We can begin the transfer.
The inventory levels are holding steady, but we should monitor the shipment due in Chennai.
Agreed. I'll cross-check the global status updates.
The pH is right on target, perfectly neutral.
And the analysis confirms the quality. We are good to certify this batch.
Okay, bring it left slowly. Lower it now. Perfect, set it down.
All right, bring it down easy. Clear on the left, clear on the right. Lock it in, Bay 42.
Here are the 20 bags you ordered.
Perfect. We will start unloading them now. Careful with that one, it's heavy.
We need 3 more pallets over here.
The result is clean. Our organic fertilizer helps crops grow taller, greener, and healthier.
The organic fertilizer really made a difference with the yield this season.
Absolutely, these are the healthiest crops yet. Look at these bananas!
The biggest yield we've ever had! We did it!
Utilizing advanced manufacturing, this facility transforms banana stems into organic fertilizer.
The ecosystem is restored.
The output has increased by 20% this quarter.
Excellent numbers. The new system is very efficient.
This new system allows us to reduce waste by 92%. We've also seen significant improvement.
Continuous automated machines efficiently extract the fiber, while the remaining pulp is converted into high-quality organic fertilizer.
This new fertilizer is working wonders on the crops.
The facility has been recognized as the Sustainable Innovation Plant of the Year and a Green Industry Breakthrough.
The nitrogen content is excellent for bananas.
And it's fully organic, just what we need.
This organic fertilizer is the best for my crops.
Glad we could help, sir. Come again.
Siêng khăn phơi nhí tụm thi phi đen kran khảo. Số phi sản nát quá chân hình. Nát xỉn đọc prey sổng, xính dê phá khao thải.
We did it! Another record harvest!
This is the biggest yield yet!
The best harvest we've seen in years!
And the new plant makes the best organic fertilizer.
This facility represents a new era of regional development, turning biomass into opportunity and ensuring
This revolutionary process turns banana waste into a powerful organic fertilizer.
This is the largest banana stem processing plant, creating the organic fertilizer that is turning our world green.
What a milestone. We are proud to be the leading sustainable factory.
What was once discarded is now life again. A new era of sustainability begins here, turning today's waste into tomorrow's vibrant green earth. From waste to life.